Hey everyone, your fitness goals? It's not about going all out for a week and then giving up. It's about consistency. Let me explain why small, steady effort matter. Consistency is the key to long-term success. When you make a habit, even if it's just a little bit each day, you build a strong foundation. Over time, these small efforts add up levels. So don't be discouraged if you don't see results. Remember, it's the consistent, everyday actions that make the biggest immediate results in the end. Every small step you take, like choosing a healthy snack, adds up. Small efforts might seem tiny now, but they create habits that stick. Imagine starting your day with a short walk, feeling the fresh air fill your lungs, or take to stretch and release tension. Over days, opting for a piece of fruit instead of a sugary snack. And months. These choices build a foundation for a healthier, more consistency is key, and every small action contributes to your overall. Consistency prevents burnout and makes fitness sustainable. It's about building habits that become second and celebrating progress no matter how small. Remember, slow and steady is the race. It's not about how fast you go, but about maintaining a steady pace. Start small, stay consistent, and watch those results no matter how small brings you closer to your goal. Celebrate your progress no matter how minor it may seem. If you can subscribe for more fitness tips, we're here to support you on your journey. Keep pushing forward and see you next time.